Okay, we've had widespread reports of a problem that happened with a recent upgrade from Windows 8, Windows 8.1 specifically. And what we noticed here was that two separate pricing tools, or two tools by two different carriers had the same problem, or similar problems. I'm going to show you here what the experience is with the CenturyLink VP checkbook, what you might be getting happening to you. And I'm going to show you how to fix it better. Okay, let's see. Just stick in some dummy data here to show what the problem is. Thought it was interesting because this happened both on right after the same update. So in CenturyLink's tool, we get this compile error in hidden module location. Click help. Help won't do you any good. You basically take you nowhere. So there's the error with that tool. Okay. Now I'm going to show you what the error is on the Comcast tool. Basically, down here, you can't select anything. Everything's grayed out. No errors, just you can't do anything. Okay, so now I'm going to tell you how to fix it. The culprit appears to be a file called msforms.ext right there. Now, this is where I found it on my computer, but I think it might be different in different people's system. So that's the guy we want to get rid of. And how do we do it? Well, first of all, what I'm going to do is just go into Windows Explorer. And I'm going to do that. I don't know if you'll see this, but I'm going to do the Command key and type file. And the first thing that's going to come up is a tool called File Explorer. Oops. And there it is. Okay. So it's going to come up onto your screen. And again, just press your Start key and start typing file. And you will get the program File Explorer. I recommend you pin it to your taskbar. Just do a right click on it and pin it so you know how to get to this in the future. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go, in this case I know it's in the users directory, so I'm going to just go to the users, but I just don't know where it's at. I'm going to go search for star.ext, and I'll let Windows figure out where it's at. Well, that one came up just because I saved it. I actually don't know what this other, I actually deleted both of them. Okay, so this MS-COM-CTL lib, I deleted both that and the forms. But in this case, I'm just going to go ahead and delete the form. So right now it found it, and it shows me the location down here. And I could just double click in to get into it, but I'm just going to press delete, and now it's gone. This other file I could press, I can get rid of that too. I don't think there's anything you need that's an ext. What's going to actually happen is it's going to recreate it anyways. So now what I'm going to do is bring up that pricing tool again, and I will show you miraculously how it now works. Let's go look at the VP checkbook tool. By the way, I don't take credit for finding this. This was actually a tip that I got from tech support at CenturyLink. So CenturyLink found it first. I just decided to share it. Oops. Now, rather than getting that strange error, voila, it worked. Okay, now if we take a look at the Comcast tool, and yeah, it's this one right here, which had everything grayed out down below. We're going to see, voila, we can select things. It works. So there you go. Very easy to fix this problem. Very strange that a Windows update did this sort of thing. But FYI, you will notice that once I did that, if I go back to users, search for EXD again, what was it? Yeah, you can see it's not there. I thought it might recreate it, but it's not there. Users star.ext. Oh, I guess it didn't recreate it. So there you go. That fixed the problem. And just so you know the reason why I'm looking at both these different carriers, I got to give our company a little plug here. It's because we sell for all these carriers, and so it matters to us. If you look at our carrier guide at CTG3, you'll see all the carriers we sell for. And be sure to check out our really cool Carrier Finder tool at carrierfinder.net. And anyway, hope you found this useful. Have a great day.